Hello from the Expert Trade Ideas team. Here's your pre-market trading desk summary for Thursday, June 12th, 2025, built for serious traders who move on volume, volatility, and institutional liquidity bias. We've seen volatility compression start to unwind, internals weakening, and clear signs that liquidity is thinning, especially in the index futures. That means setups need to be cleaner, risk needs to be tighter, and entries should be conviction-based only. Let's get right into the top 5 trade setups this morning, selected from the heaviest pre-market volume movers, sorted by volatility, price action quality, and risk-reward edge. PSLV, Sprott Physical Silver Trust. This one's under pressure with a gap down and below VWAP. If it fails to reclaim the 1220 level, expect a fade to $11.65, then down to pivot at $11.05. However, if it reclaims 12.20 with volume, it could squeeze to $12.85. Risk is anchored at VWAP, around $12.40. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. AMD is coiling just under VWAP in pre-market. If it breaks through $122 with volume, it could run to $127s. Failure to hold 119.50s opens downside toward 117 and lower. Key pivot is 109.90s. Risk is tight around 120. GE Aerospace. GE is sitting right near its pivot. A bounce from $231 could target $234 and $238. But if it loses $229.50, expect a controlled fade. Watch for weakness to extend down to $224. Risk is tight at $231. Robinhood Markets. Robinhood is showing signs of a bear flag. If it breaks below 72.80, it could sell off sharply toward 70.50 and pivot at 59.60. But if it traps and reclaims $74, there's room for a squeeze to $78. Risk is defined at VWAP near $74.21. GSR3 Acquisition Corp. GSRT is a speculative SPAC-style name with pre-market strength. If it holds 11.10, it could accelerate toward 11.85. If it fails below 10.90, it's a quick fade to 10.65. Keep risk anchored at the pivot, 10.65. Sign off. That's your Expert Trade Ideas setup briefing. Focused, high signal, and ready for execution. If you found this valuable, follow, share it, and sign up for our full daily desk briefings and expert coaching. We've dropped summer prices to support retail traders who want to level up with a pro. Find out more at www.expertready.com. See you on the tape.